guys. We're on our way to bury the goat. So she went out in the yard today waiting for her morning bottle, and while we made her bottle, she got really quiet, which usually just means she's clipping the grass. But as we got out there, she was missing. So the kids and I looked everywhere, and we spread out and went looking down the street, and then we hung up flyers, and then we posted on social media, and then I saw her little lifeless body lying in the neighbor's yard next to their German Shepherd. So the neighbor dog looks like it jumped over the gate, came over and took our goat, brought it back and killed it in his yard. So we all said our goodbyes to Stella, and we prayed over her body, and we put her in a bag, and we took her to our property in the Ortegas, and we buried her there in a beautiful grave, hand dug by the fall to the ground and just start crying. It was so sad to see them just freak out over the body of their goat. Oh my God, you guys. So sad out here today. Nobody knows what to do. This is normally our Stella run around time. Everyone's just mopey and sad. Hey, sad girl. What are you doing? So yesterday, Papa put Stella outside waiting for her bottle feeding, and I was making her bottle, and we could hear her out here dying, bleeding, and then it just kind of stopped, and we came out here with her bottle, and we couldn't find her, which was not like her safe. And so we all knew it was bad. She was either tangled or dead or in a house or stolen. And then we put flyers up, and we posted on social media she was missing, and about at that point, that's when we saw her body in the yard next to us in the field over. There's a dog, a German Shepherd, that had her little body. I don't know if the shepherd came over and took her from our yard, or if she saw a dog and thought he was friendly because of our dog.